Jack, you have been unusually quiet today. You usually have something to say, but today you seem distant. Is something troubling you?
Yes, Sarah. Something has been bothering me for a while now. I tried to ignore it, but it keeps coming back.
You can tell me. We are standing here and there is no rush. Take your time.
It is about my English. Whenever I speak English, I feel uncomfortable. I feel nervous even before I open my mouth. I speak slowly. I pause a lot. Sometimes I choose the wrong word. And when that happens, people notice.
What do they do when they notice?
Some of them smile. Some wait impatiently. And some laugh. Not always loudly. Sometimes it's just a look. But I can feel it.
And how does that make you feel?
It makes me feel embarrassed. Very embarrassed. I feel like everyone is watching me. Like they're judging every word. So I stop talking. I decide it's better to stay quiet.
You choose silence.
Yes. Silence feels safer. When I'm silent, no one laughs.
Do you feel this way when you speak your own language?
No. In my own language, I feel confident. I can explain things clearly. I can joke. I can be myself. But in English, I feel like a different person. A smaller person.
Then the problem is not you. The problem is fear.
Yes. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding foolish. Fear of being laughed at again. Sometimes my hands shake before I speak. Sometimes my mind goes blank.
That reaction is human. It does not mean you are weak. Look at this place. This parking lot is quiet. The cars are quiet. The air is calm. Nothing here is judging you. Only your thoughts are.
I never thought of it like that.
When you speak English slowly, do people understand you?
Yes. They do understand me.
Then your English is working. English is not about speed. It is about being understood.
Then why does it still hurt so much?
Because you compare yourself to fluent speakers, you forget that you are still learning.
That's true. I expect too much from myself.
Every fluent speaker you see today was once slow. They searched for words, they made mistakes, they felt embarrassed too. The difference is, they did not stop.
Can I tell you something personal?
Of course.
Before I speak, I rehearse sentences in my head. I practice them silently. But when the time comes, I still make mistakes.
That is not failure. That is practice.
I never thought of it that way.
Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are signs that you are trying. People may notice them for a moment, but they forget quickly. You are the one who keeps remembering.
I think I'm harder on myself than others are.
Yes, you carry a weight that doesn't belong to you.
What should I do next time?
You should speak slowly, even slower than before, and allow silence.
Allow silence?
Yes, silence is not failure. Silence means you are thinking. There is nothing wrong with that.
So I should not rush.
Exactly. Rushing creates fear. Calm creates clarity. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is calm.
Confidence is calm.
If someone laughs next time, what will you do?
I will pause. I will breathe. And I will continue speaking.
Good, because your voice matters.
I feel lighter now. Not perfect, but calmer.
That's enough. Progress is more important than perfection.
Thank you for listening. It really helped.
Anytime, you are not alone in this.